Hi, my name is Luke from Click4Assistance, and today I'll be demonstrating how to schedule a report within the software. The reporting module has a variety of reports covering all the tools available in the Click4Assistance solution. Today we're going to be using the chat activity report as an example, however all reports can be scheduled in the manner that I'm about to show you. So in order to schedule a report, you'll firstly need to navigate towards reports on the left hand side, as I have already, and select the relevant module. You can then select the report you wish to schedule. Firstly, apply any filters and select the segment at this point. And then once you're happy, click on the schedule button in the top right corner. In this window, you can begin to build your schedule report with all the necessary details. You will need to enter an appropriate name for the scheduled report, choose the frequency of how often this report is sent, whether that be daily, weekly, or monthly. Then select the format type, i.e. PDF, Excel, or CSV. You can then choose the date in which you'll start receiving the report from. And lastly, enter all of the relevant email addresses by clicking on the plus icon. With all of that complete, you can go ahead and click Save. If you then navigate towards the Scheduled Reports area, you can see the full list of reports that have been scheduled. Within this area, you can edit existing scheduled reports and view reports that have been sent previously. You can also delete a scheduled report by clicking on the cross icon as follows. Scheduling reports are a useful way of keeping your data manageable and streamlined.